everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes. So welcome again in our digital classes, and today we are taking our general knowledge. Okay. So take your book and pencil, which material you need, and now open your book, page number 11. Okay. That is our today's lesson number 8, fun with fruits. Got it? Now see, have you completed your last lesson, that is flower shop? Yes. So that was about flowers. We took some information about flowers. Okay. We labeled that each and every flower. Okay. So in this lesson, we are taking information about fruits. This lesson is about fruit. See, you can see in your book some pictures are given of fruits, and what you have to do? You have to write their names, and first you have to identify which fruit it is. Okay? So, now first of all tell me, do you like to eat fruits? Yes. But you have to eat all the fruits, because fruits are the main source, or fruits are the source of many nutrients. Okay, which helps you to stay healthy. Okay, got it? And fruits are having low calories. That's why your energy will gain. Okay, and fruits having fiber, which helps you to keep your digestive system very clean and very happy. Okay, and the main part is fruits keeps away from each diseases. Okay, so you have to eat all the fruits. Got it? Yes. Now we'll start our today's lesson, or we'll start solving the questions. Okay. So now you can see, as I told you, you are having some pictures of fruits. And one more thing you are having, that is one help box at the bottom of your page. Okay. In that help box, the names of fruits are given. Yes. So now with the help of that box, you have to write each and every name of fruit. Okay. So shall we start? Yes. So see the first one. Can you guess the name of this fruit, which is in orange color? Which taste is sometimes sour, sometimes sweet? Yes, this is orange. So you can see on board also, I have drawn some pictures of fruits, and you have to write here the name of that fruit below that each fruit, as I am writing now. Okay. So first is orange. Write down their name. It is orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. What is the name of this fruit? It is orange. Okay. Now see the next one. Which is this fruit? Yes, which is in oranges and yellow in color. And you love the most this fruit, because this is a king of fruit, we can call. Okay. So what is the name of this fruit? Yes, it is mango. So write down here, it is M-A-N-G-O, mango. Which is this fruit? It is mango. Okay. Now we'll move towards our next fruit. Okay. See the picture and tell me the name. Yes. You like to eat this fruit? Yes. It is banana. Very good. So just write down here name BANANAS. It is. These are bananas. Okay. Which is this fruit? These are bananas. You like to eat this fruit when the vegetable is not as like you want. Am I correct? Yes. When you don't want any vegetable, then you are going to eat this fruit. Yes. So now next is, see the fourth one, which is in green color, and the taste is sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. See the picture and tell me the name. Yes, these are grapes. So write down here, these are GRAPES. These are grapes. Okay? Yes. Now the fifth one. This is very easy to identify, which is in red color. Which is this fruit? Yes, this is apple. APPLE. This is apple. Okay. Now the last one. See, which is in green color but for outer side, and for inner side it is in red color. Very good. So can you tell me the name of this fruit which is in big size? Yes, this is watermelon. Very good. So write down here watermelon. WATERMELON. This is watermelon. Okay? Have you wrote all these names? Very good. Just revise it once again. First one is orange. Okay? The second one is mango. Third one, bananas. Next, grapes. Next, fifth one is apple. And the sixth one, that is last one, is watermelon. Okay? So, very good. You have identified all the fruits. Okay? So, now if your writing is finished, then click one photo of that page and attach this photo to the Google form, which is I am going to send you. Okay? Now, we are having next lesson, but that next lesson will take in next video or next session. Okay? Till that, stay safe, stay happy.